we have a historian's guest and it's the first time on the show. So please give them a warm welcome.
Please introduce yourselves.
I'm Jandy.
I'm Erome.
And today we're going back to an important moment in the Philippine history, the Katipunan and the Philippine Revolution.
That's right. Today, we'll explore what made Filipino rise up, who led the fight, and how it changed our country. To start things off, what exactly is the Katipunan?
The Katipunan, usually called Kataas-taasan, Kagalang-galangang Katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan, was a secret revolutionary organization founded in 1892 by Andres Bonifacio, and its main goal was to gain independence from Spanish rule through armed revolution.
So our next question, what is the Philippine Revolution?
The Philippine Revolution was the armed struggle of Filipinos against Spanish colonial rule, which began in 1896. It was largely inspired and led by the Katipunan.
So what pushed Filipino to revolt?
Life under Spanish rule was very hard. High taxes, forced labor, and unfair treatment. Filipinos tried peaceful reforms, but Spain ignored them.
Exactly. The exile and execution of Jose Rizal convinced many leaders that only armed revolt could bring freedom.
So that's why the Katipunan was formed, right?
Yes, Andres Bonifacio and his companions wanted total independence for the Philippines.
Who were the main leaders we should remember?
Andres Bonifacio, called the father of the revolution, led the Katipunan. Emilio Jacinto guided the members with his writings and ideas about love for country.
Later, Emilio Aguinaldo became a key military leader, especially in Cavite, helping the revolution grow stronger.
So each had a different rule inspired. Jacinto taught and Aguinaldo fought, right?
Exactly.
What year started the revolution?
In 1896, the cry of Pugad Lawin happened. The Katipuneros tore their cédulas, symbolically rejecting Spanish rule.
Fighting quickly spread to different areas. Even though Bonifacio was executed, the movement continued and gained strength under Aguinaldo.
And that led to victories in many provinces, right?
Yes, especially in Cavite and other parts of Luzon.
So what change brought by the revolution?
In 1898, the Philippines declared independence from Spain. It awakes nationalism and a sense of unity among Filipinos.
Even though full freedom didn't come immediately, the revolution inspired generation to fight for rights and self-determination.
It really shows how courage and unity can change history. Thank you to our historians and listeners. The Katipunan remind us that Filipinos have always fought for freedom.
That's right. And that's it for today's episode of History Talk today. See you next time.